Mimmi again from C-Mimmi-O. Welcome back to the channel. And of course, today's topic is the rise of AI SEM and how search engine marketing is changing forever. I think that it's pretty clear that AI SEO is now a fact, and I think it's very known to everyone. But there's also AI SEM, and that's something that's still forming itself. And these are just some thoughts that I have that what it probably is and will be. AI SEM, so artificial intelligence search engine marketing, I think we're seeing like a huge change, like the equivalent was when Google ads were introduced some over 20 years ago. And I want to break down to you what I see AI SEM to be actually, how AI search advertising works, and what traditional SEM, why this traditional SEM is changing really fast, what marketers need to do now, and what I see the future of AI-powered search marketing looking like. So let's get into it. What is AI SEM? If we think about traditional search engine marketing, it's been pretty straightforward. You search for something on Google, you see sponsored ads on top, and you click. That complete model was built around these keywords and search engine result pages. But I think that the AI search is changing this interface completely. Instead of seeing this list of blue links, I think AI systems now generate direct answers. And we're already seeing this with the Google AI overviews, Google AI mode, Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT search experiences, Perplexity, Claude, and other conversational AI platforms. And this is where AI SEM then starts to come in. It's essentially advertising with AI-powered search experiences. Instead of ads sitting separately from the content, advertising becomes integrated directly into these AI-generated responses. That means ads become more contextual, more conversational, and much more embedded into the actual user experience. And honestly, I think that changes really everything. I see the shift already happening. It's not a futuristic vision anymore. I think Google has already started integrating ads into AI overviews and AI mode. And of course, you still see the ads next to the AI overview, but also inside. And instead of having this sponsored block at the top of the page, I think you will see sponsored recommendations naturally integrated into the AI generated answers. Let's take like an example. Imagine someone searching what's the best CRM for a small SaaS company. Instead of showing you 10 links and 3 ads, the AI might generate this detailed answer that's comparing platforms. And within the answer, a relevant sponsored product or service appears contextually. That's a huge shift in kind of the user behavior, because users are no longer scanning search results manually. They're increasingly relying on AI-generated recommendations. And the numbers are already showing this trend accelerating. The AI overviews are triggered in growing percentage of searches. And many industry experts believe AI-driven search experience could become dominant within just a few years. So you should be really start preparing now. So how is AI SEM different to traditional SEM? I think this is where it gets interesting. The traditional SEM was heavily focused on keywords. You targeted specific search terms, you optimized bids, you improved click-through rates, and success was measured through these clicks and conversions. AI SEM operates very differently. Instead of this keyword first targeting, AI SEM becomes intent first and context first. The AI will try to understand what the user actually needs, where are they in their buyer journey, and what kind of answer would be most useful for them. So the optimization shifts from this which keyword should I bid on to how can my brand become part of the AI generated answers. And that's a very different mindset because the AI summarizes and synthesizes information. Content quality suddenly becomes much more important in the paid searches too, not just SEO, SEM as well. So content will be central. One of the biggest changes in AI SEM is that content becomes the foundation of advertising. In traditional PPC campaigns, you could often get this away with this short ad copy and optimized landing pages, but AI systems need deeper information. They need structured, trustworthy, high-quality content that they can reference confidently. That means that the brands need detailed product information, educational content, clear positioning, structured data, helpful answers to real customer questions. In many ways, the worlds of SEO, content marketing, and SEM are starting to merge together. And the brands that win with AI search will probably be the ones that are most useful. Not necessarily the loudest advertisers. And honestly, I think that's better for the users too. AI SEM, it's more about the conversations. Another major shift is this conversational search behavior. People don't search the same way in AI systems. Instead of typing best project management software, the user might ask, what's the best project management software for a project startup team under 20 people with strong integrations for Slack and Notion? That's conversational intent. And AI SEM campaigns need to adapt to those conversational journeys. This means marketers need to think beyond isolated keywords and start mapping customer questions, conversation flows, intent paths, decision-making moments. It's much more it's much more dynamic and much more human. And then the metrics. It also changes measurement because if traditional SEM focused on the impressions, clicks, CTR and CPC, of course they don't disappear completely, but there will be new dimensions introduced. Some examples. How often is your brand mentioned in an AI response? Are those mentions positive or contextually relevant? Does the AI trust your content enough to reference it? How do AI-assisted journeys influence conversations? We'll likely see entirely new KPIs emerge around, like AI visibility, AI mention share, contextual authority, conversational engagement, assisted conversations, and attribution will become even more complicated because the journey becomes fragmented across these AI systems, search engines, websites, and the conversational interfaces. So what will the future be like? I think we're moving toward a world where AI systems become active decision-making assistants, not just search engines. They create entirely new advertising opportunities. For example, conversational commerce. It's about completing an entire purchase directly with an AI interaction without even visiting a website, or predictive advertising, where AI anticipates your needs before you even search explicitly. I think we'll likely see something like more personalized AI generated recommendations, voice first AI advertising, interactive AI shopping experiences, AI powered product comparisons, real time dynamic recommendations. And this won't just be on Google. I think we'll see it across AI assistants, social platforms, productivity tools, e-commerce ecosystems, and enterprise AI systems. And the advertising landscape is going to become deeply integrated into these conversational experiences. So what to do and what to do today? First, you need to audit your content. Is it something that an AI system would trust enough to reference? Implement structured data everywhere possible. Make sure your content is easy for the AI systems to parse and understand, and then start monitoring AI search visibility. Check whether your brand appears in Google AI overviews, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Copilot, and other AI search tools. And fourth, shift your mindset from keywords to intent. Think about customer problems and conversational discovery paths, and experiment early, because the companies building an AI native marketing capabilities now will have competitive advantage later on. AI SEM, it won't be just a small evolution in this PPC advertising. It transforms search marketing. And the future will be conversational, contextual, AI assisted, and deeply integrated into the user experience. So you should start preparing on how fast you can adapt to AI search. And I also wrote a blog about it. The link is in the description. And if you found this useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you think the AI SEM will replace traditional PPC faster than people expect. And that's all from me now. Bye!